Hi, today we're going to give you a brief overview of what we here at Light Designs do to show off the speed and versatility of creating apps using PowerApps. This is a little app we put together for a PowerApp workshop we were running. The app's purpose is to gather feedback and to gauge interest on the subject. Previously, we used to hand around printed feedback forms, and someone would always make the joke, "Why didn't you make this in PowerApps?" So we did. The app itself is quite straightforward. All it does is collect people's responses. There was very little validation needed, just enough to ensure we gathered a valid email address. Most of the questions are optional, as this form is for voluntary feedback. If some of you are familiar with PowerApps, you will know that out of the box it is very easy to generate a form based on a data source. This is a great feature, as it allows you to create a form ready for use in literally seconds. The default visualization is a little basic, as the questions and options are all in a long column on a single page. It's certainly functional, but we wanted something a bit more visually appealing. We figure a PowerApps workshop should show off the product, right? So we separated the questions out and put them on multiple pages to prevent cluttering. We didn't want to overwhelm the participants, as most of the questions were optional anyway. A bit of logic was added for this question. To only enable the name and email fields if it's the product owner that they want us to contact. The out-of-the-box behavior in PowerApps is that radio buttons are only able to be displayed in a vertical list. For a form where the user can only select one answer, a drop-down is an easier way to achieve this in PowerApps. However, we chose to add radio buttons displayed in a horizontal row, which turned out to be more complex than we expected. But, as you see, we did manage to achieve it. And this is why I love PowerApps. The tools it gives you are really quite versatile and powerful. If there's something you want it to do, chances are you'll be able to make it do it. The other great thing about PowerApps is the speed at which solutions can be created. I mentioned earlier that a basic form can be created in seconds. Even with all the custom logic and formatting in this app, we're still only talking about a time frame of a few hours to take this app from an idea to a fully working product. We even decided to create this hidden little admin portal. Whoever knows the password can come in here and view all the feedback received inside the app. This feature was added because it was fun to create and a quick way for us to check responses. It makes the response data more accessible to the team running the workshops, which is definitely what we're going for with this app. So hopefully I have given you a taste for what PowerApps can do and how straightforward it is to use. If you have any questions about this app or what Enlight Designs can do for you, you can contact us through this page or our website, and we'd love to help. Thanks for watching.